What velocity must a car with a mass of 1,300 kilograms have in order to have the same momentum as a 2,390 kilogram pickup truck traveling at 24 meters per second to the east? Alright, so we know the equation for momentum is just mass times velocity. The momentum of our pickup truck would be equal to the mass of the truck times the velocity of the truck. We know both of those numbers. So the mass is 2390 and the velocity is going to be 24. That gives us 57,360. Now, it tells us that the car has the same momentum as the truck. So, if I know the momentum of the car and we know the mass of the car, then we can find the velocity of the car, and that's the goal. So I know this is 57,360. I know the mass of my car is 1,300, and we're trying to find the velocity of the car. So to move that around to solve for VC, it's just 57,360 divided by 1,300. So VC would have to be equal to 44.12.